Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic AR in monopoly and monopolistic market. Okay. As in earlier video we discussed about the TR, AR and MR, and then what is the shape of AR in perfect competition. As we already discussed that there are mainly three forms of market, that is perfect competition, monopoly and monopolistic competition. Okay, so situation of perfect competition we already discussed that what is the shape of AR means average revenue in perfect competition. Okay, what are the three form of market? That is perfect competition, first is perfect competition, then monopoly, then monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition. Okay, so in case of perfect competition, as we told, the perfect competition is a market situation in which there are large number of buyers and sellers and price of a commodity is decided by the industry. Means industry play lead role in the perfect competition market, and the prices that is decided by the industry, all the firm in the market sell the commodity at that price only. Means if a firm decreases price, then he will suffer from the loss, and if because cost is more, and if a firm increases price more than decided by the industry, then nobody will purchase the commodity from the firm because all the buyers in the markets are knowledgeable that what is the price of the commodity in the market. Means it is assumed in perfect competition that a consumer having perfect knowledge about the market. So situation of AR we can say, and price is it is equal shape of AR and price is horizontal parallel to O axis in perfect competition market that we have discussed in earlier video. Now we will talk about the monopoly. So what is monopoly? Monopoly is a market situation in which there is only one seller in the market and large number of buyers in the market. Okay, one seller means there is only one firm, or we can say that is industry or firm in the market, only one, and other all are buyers. Okay, so the firm or we can say industry that is having the power to increase or decrease price. Okay, so in case of monopoly, as we discussed that P is equal to AR, means price is equal to AR in perfect competition, because AR is the average revenue, and average means we calculate the rate at which commodity is sold in the market. Okay, so P is equal to AR, and in monopoly competition, what happen if AR, as in perfect competition we assume that AR is constant. Okay, AR is constant, but what happen if AR is not constant? What will happen? In perfect competition, AR is constant and P and AR both are equal because price is decided by the industry and all the firms in the market follow that price. But in monopoly or monopolistic competition, price is not decided by the industry. In monopoly and monopolistic competition, AR is not constant because price of the commodity tends to decrease with the increase in the price. Okay, it means when there is increase in the production, or we can say with increase in production, cost of the commodity decrease, or we can say cost of the production decrease, and there is also decrease in price. With decrease in cost, there is decrease in the price of the commodity and increase in the production, or we can say output of the commodity. Okay, so this is the situation of monopoly or monopolistic competition. in monopolistic competition, price will decrease if there is decrease in the cost of production and increase in the price, and price will increase if there is increase in the cost of production. Because in monopoly and monopolistic competition, a seller have the power to increase or decrease the price of the commodity, because the main motive in monopolistic competition of the buyer, of the seller, is to earn maximum profit. Okay, so the price increase or decrease in monopoly and monopolistic competition. So when there is increase or decrease in price, it means AR is also increase and decrease in situation of monopoly and monopolistic competition. Okay, because price is not equal, it means average revenue is also not constant. Price is not constant, then average revenue is also not constant. So more we will discuss with the help of this table. In table you can see output we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, the same that we have discussed in perfect competition. Then price we have given, that is average revenue is equal to P, that is 10, 9, 9, 8.5. Okay, means price is decreasing with the increase in the output. Okay, this is the situation of monopoly or monopolistic competition. In perfect competition, we discussed that our price is constant because that is decided by the industry. But here firm have the power to increase or decrease the price. So when there is increase in the output, firm will decrease its price. So firm is decreasing price. So AR is also decreasing 10, 9.5, 9 and 8.5. So TR, what is the formula of calculating TR? That is P into Q. So P and Q means output. Q means output and P is the price. First is 10. 9.5 into 2 is equal to 19. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. And 8.5 into 4 is equal to 34. Now we will calculate MR. So what is MR? It is the change in total revenue. Okay. So what is the formula? TRN minus TRN minus 1 means nth unit and the previous unit. Okay. So first is 10, then 19 minus 10, 9, 27 minus 9 is 8, then 34 in minus 27 is 7. Okay. So this is our MR. So in this table what we see that in this table AR and MR both are decreasing. Okay, as there is increase in the output, our price is decreasing and P is equal to AR, means because average revenue is the, when we calculate average revenue we find the price of the commodity. Okay, means per unit price of the commodity. So P and AR is equal. So this is the price of the commodity. It is decreasing with the increase in the unit of the production. So AR is decreasing. It means MR is also decreasing because TR is increasing but at a decreasing rate. Here we can see our TR is increasing, but the difference is decreasing. Here is the difference of 1099, then here 8, then 7. Means this difference is decreasing. So TR is increasing but at a decreasing rate. So our MR is decreasing. Okay, MR is decreasing. So what we will find here that MR is decreasing and it is decreasing more than AR. The difference of AR is of 0.5. Okay, 0.5, but here is the difference of 1. So MR in monopoly and monopolistic competition is decreasing at the more rate than average revenue. Okay, here MR is also decreasing and AR is also decreasing, and total revenue is increasing but at a decreasing rate. Okay, so So this is the table of monopoly and monopolistic competition of market situation. Here we have discussed that in earlier videos, case of perfect competition, we told that AR is constant, means the shape of AR is also constant, and in table it is also constant, but that was the situation of only perfect competition market, okay. But if we see the case of monopoly and monopolistic competition, then AR is decreasing in monopoly and monopolistic competition, okay. So we have discussed that what will happen if AR is not constant. AR is not constant in monopoly and monopolistic competition, then what is happening? It means AR is decreasing, and decreasing of AR means TR is increasing but at a decreasing rate, okay, and our MR is also decreasing, okay. So we have discussed the case of monopoly and monopolistic competition, that in case of monopoly and monopolistic competition, or we can say market, there are only one seller, or we can say firm industry, that is having the power to decide the price of the commodity. So all the decision relating to production, deciding of price is taken by the firms only. So if there is decrease in the cost, then firm will also decrease the price and there will increase in the production. But if there is less production and more cost, then the firm will increase the price in perfect monopoly and monopolistic competition. So the AR is decreasing in monopoly and monopolistic competition when AR is not constant, okay. And AR is not constant, it means MR is also decreasing. The difference between AR and MR is that MR is decreasing at the more rate compared to average revenue, okay. So we have discussed that what will happen, or what is the shape of average revenue in case of monopoly competition, monopolistic, that we will discuss in the next video by diagram, okay. So students, watch the video and also read from your book. If you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.